What's up, everybody? Jackson here as always, and today I've got my bowl, which means a taste test, but we're doing something unorthodox today, something I've never done before. We're doing a shampoo taste test. I was thinking in the shower earlier, how does it taste when it gets in your mouth? Because it gets in my eyes, but never my mouth. So, here goes nothing. I'm not looking forward to this. I have some heavy taste Gatorade to wash my mouth with afterwards. So here we go, I guess. This was got in a grocery outlet. It's unused, but honestly, to open it up, there's like some that's been used, I think. Okay. Now, how do I put this back on? There we go. Just a dollop, obviously. Oh man. I'm not gonna swallow. And this thing, it smells good. It's one of the things that smells good but doesn't taste good. Oh no, it stayed. Oh God. You know, do you know how shampoo smells? Well, I don't know. It reminds me of, oh no, that story of you put a firecracker in your open palm and you light it and you burn your palm, but you put a firecracker in your closed palm, make a fist, you light it and it blows your fingers off. Am I gonna get sick? And normally you smell shampoo. This was a bad idea. And it's an open environment, so it's wafting off in every direction. But when you put it in your mouth, you, like closing the fist, it means the world of the shampoo is now my mouth. So it's just spreading there instead of throughout the world. I'm gonna have to brush my teeth after this, but just gonna get on through this. It tastes not bad. I know it tasted bad. You know, I know I'm complaining about it and I feel somewhat queasy now. That may be me. It may be me psyching myself out. Sorry, I gotta. Man. Would swallowing been better? I don't think so, because then I would have gotten this way back. That was stupid. It tasted better than I thought it would. I thought it would taste almost like a pill, like you chewing a Benadryl. But that flowery essence of, I don't actually know, avocado and calendula extract is there and it's present, but it wasn't good to put on your tongue. I'm gonna have to go brush my teeth, but thanks for watching. As always, sound off in the comments, emails in the bio, and keep on trucking.